Okay, so let's start with part 1. Here we're given 64x squared minus 9. And using what we know from the past question, we know that this is going to end up being two brackets that look similar but with a different sign. And so if we square both of these, we know that it'll be 8x plus 3 times 8x minus 3. And if we expand that, we know that we'll get something that looks like this. Let's do the same thing for question 2, where we have something like this. So again, let's just square both of these and see what we get. It's going to be 7x plus 6 and 7x minus 6. And then for part 3, we have 100x squared minus 9. That's going to be 10x plus 3 times 10x minus 3.